What's going on, family? Welcome back to the channel. So today is the day that we're going to go pick up the Corvette. I'm excited to get it. I don't like the fact that I have to pay so much money to pick it up, and I'm nervous to put it on this long of a drive. This is the longest road trip I've put this car on. Other than that, I've really only driven to Chicago, which is 2 hours away. Drove it hard, then drove it right back. So I've, put it through some stuff, and it got a few hours of drive time, but a 13-hour drive, I don't know. Hopefully everything goes well. Look at what time it is. Got off work at 10 o'clock, about 10:15. So I got home again, went to sleep at about midnight, woke up about 1:15 or 1:30. So I told them the minute that it was done, I was coming to get it. So they told me yesterday that it was done, and it was at a time where I couldn't take off from my part-time job, so now I'm getting up to go. On our way to St. Louis to take a flight at 6 a.m., which is about 2 and a half hour drive. And we're gonna jump on the plane, head to Dallas, and we're gonna jump right on the road. So we made it back to Texas. I'm currently at the bank waiting for it to open in order to get the money to get the car from Gearhead Performance. So of course I couldn't fly with the amount of money that it's going to cost to get this car out, because it would have been extremely suspicious. They'd have thought I was dealing drugs and extortion and anything else. So I think there's a limit of like 5,000 that you can carry on an airplane, but they still would question you. So I didn't even want to go through that today. Hopefully I can drive back all the way. The flight ended up being a lot quicker than what it was supposed to be. So yeah, so I slept for about an hour when I was at home, and then on the flight it was only an hour and 25 minutes. So I may have slept 30 or 45 minutes on the flight. So this 13-hour drive is going to be exciting. I gotta do something to keep me up. But anyway, so hopefully this bank will open up soon. I got about 15 more minutes, and then I'm going to go ahead and get to Gearhead Performance and get this car and get on the road. So I'll catch you guys in a second. We finally got the car back. Woo! Got it back. I'm excited. Again, I ain't like the money that I had to pay. Nothing against the shop. I just don't like paying that much money to fix a car. But I broke it, so I gotta do what I gotta do. But it's fixed. I drove it down the street already, and I can already notice a bunch of different things, right? So number one, the noise that I used to get from the rear end, gone. Number two, they replaced my throwout bearing. I don't know if the throwout bearing was the cause of the noise I was getting, but whenever I put my foot on the clutch in and out, it would make this squeaking noise. That's gone. And they put in my clutch master cylinder, so I'm hoping, which I gotta take it easy for now, but when I get on it pretty good, I'm hoping that Tick's master cylinder resolves my issue. If not, then it is what it is. So, but I got the car back and I'm excited. So about to get on the road, about to get on the road to go back home. All right, family, so we made our first stop for some gas in the car. This is my first time ever completely filling this car up. $47. I've put $50 in this car before, $45 in this car before, and it never completely fills it up. So I'm surprised that at $47 it filled it up. It was a little bit below a quarter tank. So yeah, hopefully that's a good sign. I'm here in Texas, so of course gas is $3.61. It's a little bit cheaper, but actually it's not by much, I don't think, for premium, but for regular it's $2.76. So that's actually not bad at all compared to Peoria, Illinois. It is $3.25, so you're talking a big difference. But anyway, stop for gas, filled it up for the first time, and it wasn't terrible. We'll see how bad gas is on this whole trip though. So I am riding in the car at 2,000 RPM, and guess what I hear? You hear that? Nothing. Exhaust. That's it. No more whiny noise from that rear differential. They got it taken care of. It sounds good. The clutch feels good, feels strong. They took care of some AC issues for me. So now one issue that I have, and if you guys have had the same issue, let me know. The driver's side has AC, the driver here, and so does the center vents, but on the passenger side, it's blowing hot air. So I'm thinking it's going to be a blend door actuator. You guys let me know what you think. But yeah, car is driving good. I did have a check engine light come on. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. But one thing I love about the vet is that we can self-diagnose what's going on with the car. So I did look up the code, P0704. The first thing I saw was a bunch of people talking about their 6 master cylinder and how they put the 6 master cylinder in, and then this code popped up. So, and that's what they did for me. They put a 6 master cylinder in, and now I got that code. So, and also before that the check engine light came on, I noticed that my cruise control wasn't working. So I see that that's a side effect as well. So when I get it back home, I'll get all that stuff taken care of. But I just wanted to point out to the fact that I don't hear that whining noise. I know so many people have that problem. I'm pretty sure it's the rear differential that's causing that issue. So you may have some gears that are grinding or whatever it may be, but I mean, I don't have it anymore, and I'm so grateful.